Welcome to 30 Randy Tutorials. Today our lesson is torn paper effect, just like what you see on the screen. So we are going to practice something like what you see on the screen, torn paper effect. So first of all, let us crop our picture. We are going to use these two pictures. This is one picture and this is another picture. So first of all, let us crop this picture. You press enter, then you come back to layers, you go to layers, then unlock the padlock on it. You create layer mask, then you go to brush. I have installed a third party on in the brushes. I'm going to put a link below for you to download the brush so you can practice with it. These are my brushes. It is a torn paper brush. I'm going to grab one of the brushes, any of them, then hit on the layer mask here. You select the layer mask, not the image. You select the layer mask, then hit on the image. You see, now the paper is now created. The paper side is now created right now. Then you go to your other image, drag the other image onto your first image that you are using. Drag it down. You see, we are creating our torn paper effect. You expand the image behind. Expand it as needed, expand it as you want. This is a torn paper effect. It is an effect that we are creating. Now I'm okay with my torn paper effect. Now we are going to create a white edges. We are going to create a white edges like how the torn paper was created. We are going to create that edges. This time we are going to create a new layer in between the two images. We're going to create a new layer in between the two images. Press Alt on the keyboard after turning on the switch background, then press Alt plus Delete on the keyboard, then to turn the inside background to white. Now we are going to press Alt again, then hit layer mask, bring the image back, then turn back or switch, going to switch the foreground color to white. Then we are going to grab our brush tool again, then reduce the size of the brush. You can reduce the brush of the size here. It's too small. It's too small again, so increase it again. You see, we are creating the edges of the paper. You go to the brush, turn it a little bit. Like this. Then you come down to the other side. Hit again. Now we are creating the edges. Now you create another new layer. You create another new layer. Then this time around, we are not going to use a tone paper brush. We are going to use a soft brush to create this effect here. You increase the size of the brush a little bit. Then you turn the foreground color to black. Now you are going to create a shadow behind the paper to make it look a little bit real. You see, now our tone paper effect has been created. This is how our tone paper effect. If you are okay or you are happy with what we are doing, you can go to the subscribe button and click it so that you can get more tutorials or more lessons from this channel. Please, when you subscribe, just hit the notification button